In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under the theory of supply. So guys, we are going to focus on the subtopic on distinction between the change in quantity supplied and change in supply. Okay, so let's get started. The first question I have here says a shift in supply curve indicates that a different quantity will be supplied at each possible price because price has changed, supply is facing competition, consumers are willing to pay higher prices, other factors than price have changed. So right answer is option D. Other factors than price have changed. Very important. Next question is this one. It says an increase in the marginal cost of production causes it to have an upward movement along the supply curve, a leftward shift of the supply curve, a rightward shift of the supply curve, a downward shift along the supply. So right answer is option D, a leftward shift of the supply curve. Okay, next question is this one. It says a shift in supply is best described as shift of the supply curve to the right, movement along the supply curve, shift of the supply curve to the left or to the right, shift of the supply curve to the left. So right answer is option C. It's best described as shift of the supply curve to the left or to the right. Okay, next question is this one. It says an onward movement along the same supply curve results in an increase in supply, an increase in quantity supplied, a decrease in quantity supplied, a decrease in price. So guys, an upward movement along the same supply curve results in an increase in quantity supplied. Option B. Okay, the next question is this one, the last one. It says an increase in the quantity supplied of a commodity suggests a movement along the supply curve, a leftward shift of the supply curve, an increase in elasticity of supply, a rightward shift of the supply curve. So an increase in quantity supplied of a commodity suggests a movement along the supply curve. Okay, so guys, this basically can see problems involving the theory of supply. Focus on the subtopic distinction between change in quantity supplied and change in supply for your JAMB economics. Practice about 5 to 6 repeated questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button. You'll be getting premium information and help you to stay in exams like your JAMB and other exams you're writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen above and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.